Welcome back. Today, let us also understand what are the tables we can uh, is highly used in set. So set has uh, basic three tables. So one is set header, another is set leaf, and another is set node. So set header contains the header information of the set. Set leaf contains the value, and set node contains if uh, inside the set if there is any set, so that set node contain the lower level set. Okay, so these are three tables. So as you know that these are the basic set we have created. So let us go to SC16N. How to use SC16N? Give the set header for header level. Set class is triple zero for 4 times 0. So you can see also for set it is 4 times 0, and set name which you have created. So for example, this we have created list of the GL basic set. Run it. Sorry, there may be some space. Run it. Okay, so you can find the set, then set type. You can see what is the type of the set. This is also very important. It is a basic set you have created. Likewise, who has created all other information, what is the table field, everything you can say in the set. And if you want to see the value, then set leaf is a table. What is the value given in the set leaf? I mean in the set. So set leaf is a table. Run it, and you can find this set is having the list of the GL. So these are the series of the GL you have given. Therefore, I mean these are the GL you have given. Therefore, it is coming. You can verify also. Go to GS03 to display the set. Enter this set. Hit enter. There is blank value. Okay, so these are the value. These two GL from and to it is showing. Now, after understanding the set header that contain the header information, set leaf that contain the value, if I have created one more set, this set, and inside this set I have two more set I have given. For example, in single set scenario. So if I want to know what are the subset I have inside the set, that time you have to go to set node. Set node is a table, lower level set, and give the higher level set here. So this is the higher level set which you have created, and inside that set whichever. So these are two set you have given inside this set. You can verify this also. Go to GS03, give the set. So this is the set you have created, and these are the subset you have given inside this one. So this is how you have to use the table. Is highly useful when you work for set. Thanks.